everyone. So I may be disrupted because finally these guys are coming to do this door lock thing. But I spoke to my husband and I'm keeping my lock too. They've been giving the locks to my husband. My husband's said he'll put it back in for me because too many people can't get the door open. So, and that was one of the problems I foresaw. So yeah, I might just wind up stopping abruptly. This is amazing. These feel like butter, I kid you not. These two are glitters right here, but the rest of them, OMG, they're just, especially the glittery ones, OMG. So I just put on RSVP on my eyes because this is so beautiful. I just didn't know what to do with it. I just couldn't make up my mind, and then finally the ones that really grabbed out at me the most were the blues, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with this light blue right here, and I'm putting that in the inner corner. It is just so beautiful. Okay. And then I'm going to do the darker blue on the outer corner. I will try to blend them together. After today, I have no appointments for the rest of the month. I'm going to work on stuff I need to work on in the house. I need to finish those files. I made space on my camera, but I still have to put all my movies on DVD. I'm just going to try and blend it. I love this shimmer. I'm 56 and I still love my glitter and shimmer. Then I'm going to go in with this really deep dark purple color right here, and that's going to be my crease color. Oh my goodness, this feels like butter. I love this. Then I'm gonna go to that cream color right here, the lightest color in the palette, and use that as the brow bone color. Alright, so, just gonna put regular black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used my Wet n Wild, like a medium blue and a light blue pencil for under the eyes. But the medium blue, it's very waxy, it's barely giving off any color. I sharpened it. But when I tried it on my hand, it wasn't. But I don't know if under my eyes was a little wet from the cream I used to clean my eyes. But it went on. So then for blush, I used my NYX Ibiza, and it's got uh, bronzer on one side and a blush on the other, which I use as a contour. This, I don't understand how this works. This is supposed to be a spray primer, and I'm trying to press it and nothing's coming out. And then you press it once and a bunch comes out, and then when you try to press it again, this is weird. That's all I can say. I'm not really happy with how it's working. But it's just a like illuminating primer. Alright, let's try this and see if this is the same way. Ooh, I have to learn not to open up my eyes for like a few seconds before I do that. See, that worked fine. Now, this is a really intense gold, and I honestly not crazy about the gold with this look. I've been using this with a white, so I think I'm just gonna use this so it'll soften it a little bit. Oh yeah, for my lips I use my Milani pencil, the big lipstick pencil, and the gloss, the lip flashes. So I'm really not crazy about using a gold because it's warm toned and everything I have on is more cool toned, but let's see how this goes. Okay, it's not bad. And, you know, like I said, I used it with something that had white on it, white highlighter on it already, so you know, that softens it. Can you believe, just like what happened during Halloween, 2 weeks after they put up the side panel, my Walmart finally put out the, they had both. They had the SpongeBob, because I keep calling it Bob's Burgers. They had the SpongeBob collection and the Fantasy Makers, but no orange. In the whatever 20 to 30 Walmarts I've hit, they mostly had pink and the green, unfortunately. Like only one had yellow, one had purple, and one had blue. All the rest had pink and green. And I really don't put more on here, so I just put a little bit on my nose. And just wanted to show you how that worked. Yeah, so the guys came here when I was, like, almost as soon as I turned off the camera, and said that they were told that I wanted mine done early. I'm like, no. I had just finished doing this eye, and you could, you know, it was all underneath, you know, because I have deep set eyes, so everything goes down here. And, you know, so I told them, look, I'm putting on my makeup. Take your time. So I think they'll be here in about 2 hours, probably an hour from now. But anyway, that shimmer from the eyes is all over my face. Not that I really mind, but just so you know, it's just like, even though I tried to clean it, it's a very heavy shimmer. Yeah, I decided I'm gonna wait on doing the pastel colors until after my daughter comes from New York. I don't know, maybe she can help me. I'll probably bleach it again though, because you can see the roots are coming out. But the other reason why is because we're gonna go. They finally opened up the water parks, and I got a discount because we're a Moody Gardens member. I want to go to the Palm. It's called Palm Beach, but it's the Moody Gardens water park, and so I want to go there for my daughter's birthday, for my middle girl's birthday, and I invited, you know, my daughter's going to be here, and my brother and his family's going to be there, so I'm going to just, you know, do it that day, and I know the chlorine is just going to take everything out, so I'm going to just probably bleach it again, but, yeah, not do it till after that day. Or who knows, I don't know. I just don't want it to come out too fast. I know it's going to come out pretty quickly, but anyway, so that's the story with this. I did put in an order. I put in, I was hoping, there was no place to put a note, but I was just hoping I would get the orange, and I got the pink. And the pink looks more peach than pink, so I put in an order for that, and then I put in the order for the EDCU there, and yep, I got Lemonade Heaven, so I'm getting my money back for this. But for the pink highlighter, I'm probably just going to give it to my daughter when she comes from New York. So that's the story with that. And I'm also, to get the free shipping, I'll get, hair stuff. I've been getting a lot of hair moisturizers, hair creams, to see what works.